English Grade 3 Lesson 19. Myself. Say hello to your friend. Answer. I am Suresh. What is your name? I am Mahesh. Meaning. Say hello to your friend. Answer. I am Suresh. What is your name? I am Mahesh. Sit in a circle and take a ball. Throw the ball to a friend. Tell your name. What is your name? Answer. Tell your name. Hello, I am Pushpa. What is your name? My name is Kavindu. Count in English. Answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sing the song. One little finger, my little finger. One little finger, tap, tap, tap. Two little fingers, my little fingers. Two little fingers, tap, tap, tap. Three little fingers, my little fingers. Three little fingers, tap, tap, tap. Meaning. Study the answers given to the questions. How old are you? I am 8 years old. How old are you? I am 9 years old. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What grade are you in? I am in grade 2. What grade are you in? I am in grade 3. What grade are you in? I am in grade 4.